Present simple versus present continuous. Present simple. Clue words: always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Present continuous. Clue words: at the moment, at present, currently, nowadays, now. Present simple. Present continuous. Forms: affirmative, play, plays, playing, am playing, is playing, are playing. Negative: don't play, doesn't play, am not playing, isn't playing, aren't playing. Interrogative: do I play? Do you play? Does he play? Do we play? Do you play? Do they play? Am I playing? Are you playing? Is she playing? Are we playing? Are you playing? Are they playing? Present simple. Is used for repeated actions, habits, routines. Present continuous. Is used for something happening at the time of speaking. The action is not finished. He is a chef. He cooks delicious food. Now, he is cooking a new recipe. I am a builder. I build houses. At the moment, I'm building a new house. She works very hard most of the time. At the moment, she is chatting in the workplace. We use the present simple to describe a permanent situation. I'm a doctor. I treat people. We use the present continuous to describe a temporary situation. Currently, I'm not working. I'm ill. She is French. She lives in Paris. At present, she is living in London. She is learning English. They always go to school by car. This week, they are going to school on foot. We use the present simple to say that something is true or untrue in general. The Earth turns 360 degrees every day. We use the present continuous to talk about changes, developments, and trends. The Earth is changing due to global warming. Polar bears live in the North Pole. Climate change is affecting polar bears. The present simple is normally used to talk about thoughts, feelings, and states. I don't believe. Is that really true? The present continuous is mainly used for actions and happenings. It's not usually used for states. Like, love, hate, want, be, prefer, know, suppose, mean, believe, understand, seem. These verbs are not normally used in continuous progressive tenses. She doesn't seem very happy at the moment. It tastes good. Always. Always with the present simple means every time. We always play video games after lunch. Always with the present continuous means too often. They are always playing video games. We always celebrate our wedding anniversary. You are always forgetting our wedding anniversary.